Hello guys, hi, welcome back. In case you are here for the first time, my name is Adiat. I have 2 babies and 1 husband, and we're based in Manchester, United Kingdom. My channel is all about lifestyle, glam home, beautiful home, glam kitchen, anything home. Intentional living, that's my keyword. And I'm so grateful for your engagement and your feedback. Today, we are going to wash my washing machine. Guys, the washing machine, please do not laugh. It's really embarrassing. I should have done this a long time ago, but I'm finally gonna do it today. Let's wash. So here guys, here's my utility room, and then this is where my washing machine is. And I have done a detailed video of everything in my utility room and the products I use, so you can go back down and watch the video. That will be very helpful to understand what product I use. Today is just going to be washing the washing machine. So guys, are you ready? Here it is.
Please! Jesus Christ.
Oh guys, it's very embarrassing. Oh, so yeah, there's my washing machine, and him there. Oh God, that needs washing. The first thing first is I'm going to soak it up with a Bicarb soda spray. I'm going to take it to the sink and spray it. I'm going to spray in here as well. I'm also going to use some elbow grease because I need everything to get rid of everything. So I think these 2 today, they're going to be my lifesaver. Of course, I'm going to wear some gloves. Yes guys, let's do this. So guys, first I'm going to spray in some elbow grease. This is just going to degrease it. Oh God, guys, it's really very embarrassing. I think the last time I watched it was like 6 months ago. I need to do better. And then I'm gonna go in with this. Flash is very good. I use it for my bathroom. Well, not this one, the bathroom version. And I'm just gonna spray. Spray. And I'll leave that to soak up. I'm just gonna leave that over here. Yep. So guys, the next thing to do now is to spray in here. I have to get this in as far as I can go because I have to clean it. Please don't be like me. Do not leave your washing machine for this long before you clean it. The dirt buildup is it can be difficult to get rid of when you've left it for so long. So I'm just gonna spray. And again, I'll leave that to soak as well. And while doing that, I'm gonna go in here and spray in here as well. Open every drum. Right, so guys, the washing is about to begin. This is what I usually use, to be honest. I think popular one is called Sonic. I'm just going to use this to begin with. It's easier and faster as well. You just have to keep that down to use. So I'm going to show you. And guys, you have to be patient to be able to do this, because if you're in a rush or in a hurry, I bet you can't do this. I just need to see how much dirt I've been able to take away. I'm nowhere done, but let's see how I'm getting along. I'm just going in with this to just give them a final wash. These did a pretty good job actually, so just final. As you can see, it's cleaned already. Area is usually difficult because it's very difficult to maneuver my hands and the tools I want to use, so you have to bear with me. I just have soapy water in here. This is really good as well. It's a microfiber cleaning cloth as well. And I'm just going to dip my hand in there to get rid of all the... guys, look at that. Oh, God. Is to clean the turbo of the machine. Guys, look at that. So guys, just to clean the glass as well. So guys, this is all clean. So I'm just gonna go in with this again microfiber cleaning cloth. That's what I use in cleaning, and I'm just gonna wipe everywhere down as well again. Just wipe. Guys, this is going back in as well, all clean. Finally, I'm going to wash the washing machine with this. I always use this anyway, with this Dettol antibacterial washing machine cleaner. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys. So I'm going to pour the whole lot in here, everything. And I'm going to close the washing machine, and I'm going to put a setting to machine clean. So put a setting to machine clean, and I'm just going to start, and that is going to wash my washing machine and clean it as well. Guys, so that's it for today. Please don't judge me with the dirty washing machine. Shouldn't be as bad as this, and going forward I'm going to do better and be better, because this is not good. Let me know if you're going to try my method washing the washing machine, and also let me know, do you usually wash your machine or you just kind of ignore? Because it's actually a very it's one of those jobs that we tend to overlook. So let me know in the comment section. Please comment below. Let me know, do you wash your washing machine or not? So that's the end for today. Also guys, just going to say thank you for the engagement, for the likes, the comments, everything. I am so grateful. I am super super grateful. Please continue to like, comment, share, continue to spread the word with your family and friends. I shall see you next week for the next video. Yeah, this is very important. I'm hoping to do a get to know me, so I'm asking you guys to send in all your questions and I will answer them. Send them in, comment them below, let me know what you want to know and I will answer them, and see you next week. Bye.